The quadratic functions. Sketch the following. Number A, number B. Then a quadratic function is given by the formula y equals to a in bracket x minus b squared plus q. This is where the turning point, or where p and q are the turning points of this graph. If p is given as negative, positive p, it is the turning point. If p is given as positive, negative p is the turning point. So let's, and also look for the intercept, both x and y intercept. Then that's all you need to sketch the graph. Then for this question number A, y equals to 2 into x minus 1 squared. The turning point of this function, remember, if p is given as negative, positive p, it is the turning point. So here is given as negative, which means positive 1, it is the turning point. And then, so we can assume there's plus 0 here, and then 0, 1 and 0 is the turning point. Then the intercept, let's start with the y-intercept. This is where x equals to 0. So we're looking for a point at the y-axis, this where x is 0 on the function. This is 2 into x minus 1 squared, y equals to 2 into, for x we put 0 minus 1 squared. And 2 equals to, that is 2 negative 1 squared, positive 1 multiply 2, y equals to 2. Yep. Then the point will be 0 and 2. Then x intercept, this is where y equals to 0. Y equals to 2 into x minus 1 exponent 2 and 0 for y equals to 2 into x minus 1 squared. Divide both sides by 2. Cancel out, then here it will be 0 equals to x minus 1. So it's x minus 1, then x minus 1. Remember the square here, to remove the square, this is twice. And then either x minus 1 equals to 0, or x minus 1 equals to 0 there. Then x equals to 1 twice. Now let's plot the graph. This is where x equals to 1. The 0 into the point where it touches the x-axis, and then our turning point is 1 and 0. So this graph looks something like this, a little bit of fish, okay, but this point is where it touches 1, then goes there. This is your function y equals to 2 into x minus 1 squared. Yep. Number 2, or number B actually, this is the question. Y equals to negative 2. Y equals to negative 2 into x plus 1 squared plus 2. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, first let's turning point. This is 1 is positive in this case. This is p, it is positive, so negative 1, it is the turning point, and 2. And then the function goes, the intercept, let's start with the y-intercept. This is where x is 0, y equals to negative 2 into x plus 1 squared plus 2, negative 2 into, for x is 0 plus 1 squared plus 2, and then 1 times 1, this is negative 2 plus 2, this is 0, y equals to 0. So it touches at 0 and 0, the y-axis, and then where it touches the x-axis, x-intercept, y is 0, plus 1 squared plus 2. This is where y equals to 0, and that's 2. X plus 1 squared plus 2. Copy the question, right? Yes. Then let's solve for x. Now we can divide the whole equation by negative 2. So get 0 over negative 2 equals to negative 2 x plus 1 x plus 1 squared over negative 2 plus 2 over negative 2. Over negative 2. Then this is 0. Cancel out, you have x plus 1 squared. Then divide that is negative 1. Then let's try to simplify the right hand side. 0 equals to x. This is plus 1, x plus 1, minus 1. 0 equals to x times x squared. X times 1 plus x. 1 times x plus x. 1 times 1 plus 1, then minus this one. 0 equals to x squared. X plus 2x. That was plus 1 minus that is 0. 0, factor out x. Then either x is equal to 0 or x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to negative 2. Plus 2 minus 2 equals to 0 minus 2. Subtract 2 both sides, then you get x is 0. So this point will be 0 and 0. And then this point will be minus 2 and 0. So the intercept, these are the intercepts. Then let us try to check the graph. The turning point first, where is it? What was our turning point of this? Negative 1 and 2 will be the turning point of this graph. Somewhere negative 1, somewhere here is 2, so somewhere here. And then the intercept minus 2 and 0, 0 and 0. So the graph looks like something like, okay, something like that. Passes through negative 2 and also passes through 0 and 0. Passes through the origin. Yeah, this is our graph. Y equals to negative 2 x plus 2 or x plus 1, sorry, plus 2.